What a gorgeous day to be starting work. Wow, look at that. This is the Southern Alps of South Island. Here we are at the Niataru farm. Just in Canterbury, outside Christchurch. So my job right now is to herd them into the milk shed, so they can be milked and they have their feed as well. And I'm driving a Kubota. That's what it's called, a Kubota. So I'm just gonna herd them into the laneway which leads up to the shed. Come on, Miss Moo Moo, come on. Come on, Miss Moo Moo. For your milking, Miss Moo Moo. Come on, Miss Moo Moo. Check the trough to see if it's filled with water. Yeah, which it is. That's good for the cows. That means they produce finer milk. Laters.